The King ZAR 79 SL Presto on test. Follow us. Let's start right away with some technical features of the boat. 7.90 by 2.85 meters when inflated, but of course when deflated, you can also transport it on the road with a trailer. The engine is a really important aspect. Suzuki 300 Stealth, an exceptional engine, extremely quiet, incredibly powerful, and beautiful to look at. As you can see, I'm here, even though I'm speaking softly, hugging the engine while it's running because I'm sailing. You really can't hear a thing. It's an exceptional engine, generous in every way. Not only does it stay quiet, but it delivers so much. The design of the aft Sunpad is optimal because in addition to being a large sunbathing area, it also serves as an excellent aft seat. As you can see, 4 people can sit side by side. But if I want to enjoy the sun 100%, all I have to do is remove the aft section, part of the backrest, and I can easily lie down and enjoy this entire Sunpad. If I also remove this piece, which I don't really feel like removing, but just to show you the space we have available, let's remember that we're on a boat, actually on a RAB. And if you're worried about removing these parts and not knowing where to put them, let me give you a solution. You simply place them right there, completing the Sunpad so that, as Filippo says, 3 people, whether they're Christians or Muslims, it doesn't matter, can comfortably lie down, sunbathe and relax. 4 reasons to convince you that this could be the ideal boat for you. The access to the Sunpad, or rather the access to the RIB from the stern, has been designed with a cutout so you can get on board easily without having to climb over the Sunpad or the seats. Additionally, the helm station is completely covered so you can cruise for a long time with the wind in your face. Thank you. But always remain in maximum comfort. Another point, ZAR hulls speak for themselves, so you get smoothness on the waves and 100% comfort. Plus, another classic feature of ZAR is having a ton of internal storage compartments. Yes, I know, you might say, you're small, you can lie down anywhere, but guys, it can be completed. So we'll have a sunbathing area from here all the way up front, up to the helm console, and here as well, 3 more people can lie down comfortably. The helm station, as I mentioned earlier, is extremely comfortable. Let's remember, boats are meant to be driven, to be operated standing up. Why? Because I want to cover a lot of miles, and I need to be as safe as possible for my back. So, standing up, but well supported by the edges of the seat, so leaning against the bolster. In this position, I'm really well protected, and I have 0 issues with discomfort from either the sea or the wind. Okay, but enough talking, let's go try out this ZAR, because maybe I can describe it to you, show it to you, but I also want to go test it myself. Kill switch always attached to the wrist, safety first, so let's put it in gear, hit the throttle and go have some fun. Follow us! A very important speed for covering many miles, cruising a lot, consuming the right amount, and having fun is definitely the minimum planing speed or the cruising speed, which on these boats, on boats of this size, often coincide. 14 knots, 3000 RPM, 23 liters per hour. Well, we can cover a lot of miles like this. Okay, planing is all well and good, but we also need to see how long it takes to get on plane. So, we're in neutral, engine on, even if you can't hear it. I engage the gear, electronic shift, we hit the throttle and let's see. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3 seconds and we're already on plane, that's amazing. But let's also see what we can get by flooring the throttle. Oh my. Guys, hold on tight. What a show, everyone. Really, guys? Oh my. How smooth it is. The inflatable boat, as you can clearly see, obviously goes in and out of the water because we're riding right on top of it. Man, how it absolutely roars with power and energy. This boat, 34 knots. There are actually just a few too many ferries or large cruise ships that are frequently leaving from here in Genoa. We're bouncing around a lot, but what fun. 38 knots. Oh my, guys. I'm still going 38 knots at 5,400 RPM and I'm still going, but I'll stop here. I hope you enjoyed this test as well, that you had fun following us, because piloting this boat is truly something special. Piloting a ZAR 79 SL with a 300 Suzuki, fantastic. I mustn't forget to remind you that if you don't want to miss any of our tests, all you have to do is subscribe right here to this channel. Of course, a big thank you, because it's not every day that Suzuki and Prinis gives us such a wonderful day, especially a sea trial. ZAR for giving us the chance to test an amazing boat. Filippo, who's here with us helping out. Marco and Davide, obviously by my side to make the video and handle everything. And I can't forget to thank Lorenzo, who's watching us. All the technical information I mentioned during the video can be found in the drop-down section of the video itself. You'll also find all our contact details so you can get in touch with us, and why not choose a boat just like this one, an engine just like this one, and start sailing. And above all, let your dreams set sail. From a beautiful evening here at the 2025 Genoa Boat Show, all that's left for me to say is fair winds, and always check the weather.